However, let each one of you love his wife as himself, and let his wife see that she respects her husband. Ephesians 5, verse 33.
Hey Bam Bam, it's me, Juslonda. Are you subscribed? Have you joined the sale? Join the madness, join the fun. It's me, Juslonda, and we're getting ready. We're going to a wedding. We're looking a little scrumptious, just a must say. I'm not going to say if you do all the rambling, so I'm just going to go ahead and roast people back to Twitter. Alright, so I've already started off with a base on my face. I prepped my face so far with the MAC Hyper Real Serum. My brows, I actually used the Morphe pencil. I love this pencil, and I also set it with the color out of the Makeup by Mario color right here. And that's what I got for my brow shape. I did use the concealer from Ethereal Light from Too Faced just to clean up the arch of my brow. And I do have, I think this is Painterly Paint Pot. Yep, on my eyes. My backdrop is Burkina from Juvia's Place. Alright, so I've got a couple of palettes with me. I don't really know what I want to do. I just know I really want to look really cute. Trying to debate if I'm going to wear glasses or not. I'm not quite sure. But I am going to start off with my Juvia's Place palette because I really like that palette. I like it way more than the Natasha Denona one. So I think I just want to start building color. I think that'll be safe for me to do. So I'm going to start off building color with this color here into my crease. And just try to, just get a little bit more of color there, which is more like a base. It's just part of my backdrop, and you can barely see it because it matches my skin tone so well. But I wanted to start off with a shadow. Okay, so now I want to start building up a little bit more color. So we're just going to go right here with this color here. And I want to bring this to the outskirts of the eye. I'm going to leave this part empty for now. Now, because I just want a little bit of color, so whatever's remaining on here, I'm just going to bring that like a faint color. I'm not trying to be just a little bit, just a little something, something, not much. I'm just bringing whatever that's left over. Buffing it real well into the skin. I want to deepen it up just a tad bit more, just to get a little bit more depth and dimension, because it is a wedding. You know what? Let me come get this right here. Get that part right there. I don't know what that's about, but I need to fix it on both sides. Okay. I feel like I'm going to take this color right here out the palette and just kind of buff that on the lash line and into the crease as well, giving a little bit more depth. So I'm sweeping it lightly because I want a little bit of smokiness, and then whatever's remaining, bring it to the inner corner of the eye, wrapping it around that crease part. So just kind of giving this look here. I don't think I explained that properly, but you see what I'm doing. You see what I'm doing. So I am trying to get ready for a wedding. My whole family is here. My son is actually dressing up. I cannot wait. I have not seen him dressed up in ages. I bought this palette here with me. But then I stopped at TJ Maxx in Skummersville, and I saw this, and I'm like, maybe. Maybe. So I'm not quite sure what I want to do. You know, Trippy is such a duochrome type of vibe. So is Zen. Like, I'm really loving this vibe here. I think I'll do a separate video on this one. I feel like, because I'm looking in the mirror, I feel like I want to do this on the lid. And maybe top it off with something. I don't know. I also bought this one here. Okay. I'm going to make a decision. Or attempt to make a decision. Okay. We're going to go here. We're going to go here. We're going to start here and see where it takes us. Now I just want to blend this color in so it just doesn't look like it's on its own. And it's just the same color that I had that was on the outskirts of the eye. I also think I want to take a little bit of Divinity. I'm just going to flip the brush over. Actually, I'm just going to wipe it off on my towel here. And just pick some up. But I'm going to spray this one this time because I don't want a lot of glitter bits everywhere. Now, just to kind of give a little bit more of, so it doesn't look so much cut creasy, I'm going to go in with this color here and kind of blend this out. Ooh, that's a tad bit too dark. Okay. Change play. I'm going to go with this color here. So I'm just going to blend this out as much as possible. Okay. Because I did it, so I have to do it on this side. Ugh. I'm going to just kind of blend everything all together like I want this to work. And soften that up even more. I want to take, what color was that I put on my eyelids? I don't even recall. Gonna put a little bit more up right here in this part, just to make my eyes look a tad bit bigger. Because I have a feeling that I might wear my glasses first a bit and then turn around and not wear them. Because I know me. Because when I think I'm cute. So we're just going to blend and soften that out. No additional colors, and just blending the edges off. I want to take a little bit more of Divinity. I want to spray it. Okay. Let me put my base on and I'll line my eye and stuff. I don't think I'm going to do much of a wing. I'm not quite sure. If I do, I'll let you know. You'll see it. Alright. Alright, family. This is the finish. Looking all scrumptious. Okay, let's break it down. Foundation for the base. The base is basing. The base is basing. I do have on this Dior Forever Skin Glow, and I also have on the Kat Von D. These two, because I want to look like a doll baby. It is giving the look. I did cream bronze with my LYS bronzer. I believe it's called No Limit Strength, right? I didn't have my glasses on, so I can't read it. So, No Limit Strength. The powder bronzer, it is Oasis from Sephora collection. That is really good. I really stand by it. I just really love that color bronze. The blusher, it is from the crayon box. I did use like a chase method, which is actually more 3 colors. So give me a second, let me pull it out right quick. So I started out with this color in the back and then these 2 colors in the front. The highlighter is the color bronze from Makeup by Mario. Really, really love that color. The lashes are the lashes that I was going to come out with, but I did not come out with. All I did was line my eye with the NYX eyeliner in the color black. I believe that's what it's called. Don't quote me on that, but it is the color black. For my lip combo, it is the Sephora Molasses Pencil. It's a mechanical pencil. I believe this is Lady from Juvia's Place. Yep, Lady from Juvia's Place. And then this is a gloss from Sephora as well, which I really can't see it. The earrings are from Fashion Nova, and I'm believing the necklace is from Fashion Nova. The shimmer that is shimmering on this body here is by Black Radiance, and this one is in Weight and Gold. I also mix it up because it's so potent. It's very potent. Like, you need to dilute it just a tiny bit. So I did use a little bit of my scrub cream from MAC. This one is the pink one. I can't recall what that's called. Overlight is what it is. And that's to help with the potency, because the streakiness that you see is because it is so potent. And I just used my Sephora 53 brush, which is really good. So yeah, bam bam, that is the look. Comment down below, let me know what you think. I will show a small clip here on what I have on. Beware of the salt that is going to be shortened, that is coming out, so you'll know what I have on from head to toe. On that, bam bam, comment down below, let me know what you think of the look. Thanks for watching, rate and subscribe, all that good, that's me. You feel so really fucking fine. Peace and peace. Bye.